Again, my congratulations to the organisers of this forum, an important and welcome issue for us all.
We partner with Japan in many ways, with one example that comes to mind being the Mawson Lakes Fellowship Program, to which Waseda is also a member.
We need to acquire the capacity to solve problems, to identify the essence of the problem, to find a solution to it, and to implement the solution.
People can look at once and understand that this is a good thing that's happening. If we could move on again, please.
Inside the Spiber plant, it has many robots. This particular robot is DNA synthesizing robot.
We really worked hard with a lot of determination from the local government as well as the university.
We have a Museum of Discovery from the University of South Australia in our Innovation District.
Kawasaki is collaborating with cluster in Japan and abroad, and has signed a memorandum of understanding with BioM.
Different scientific disciplines, for example, or is it more concentrated? And what is sort of the business model, if you will? What is the purpose, or what are the intended?
Companies start to acknowledge that it's very hard to find highly skilled people, that it's very hard to get them in and even harder to make them stay.
With a sort of bag of tools, you've got to be able to feel comfortable that you can look at the value chain, that you can understand what it is.
And based on the literature, as scholars, we also do research based on literature, then generating conceptual patterns based on the place-based approach.
According to the report by Porter and others, San Diego is supposed to be a highly competitive cluster, particularly centered on the ICT and pharmaceutical biotechnology industries.
Students will contribute to startup foundation on behalf of their locked-in faculties. So I think this is another opportunity to maintain the ecosystem.
Pharmaceutical companies have to enter unknown value chains, digital health, diagnostics devices, etc., in order to access different sectors.
One of the competitive advantages of Singapore is diversity of people. They gather the international, they gather the entrepreneur, very variety of nationality.
So actually the reason why we say non-privileged is because we have 5 panelists this evening to join the discussion. Among them really is
over 1,000 jobs sitting in Tech Park. We have 5 of the top 10 defence companies in that precinct. It's over 100.
Is it commercialisation of IP out of university? Is it the number of startups? Is it global links?
So when I look at those kind of aspects of what value add is created we can look at jobs and jobs performance. And
we've talked about metrics and the outputs and the outcomes, but there's also another question in that question, which is how do they perform? And I think that's something that is really worth us all thinking about and knowing about, and hopefully it's a good thing because that's what I'm...
Not just one innovation district, but a connected system of knowledge transfer across many of our innovation districts.